In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an Outlier AI account. If you find this video helpful, please consider like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to Google. Once we're inside Google, we want to type in create Outlier AI account, then hit enter. Then from here, click on the first link from app.outlier.ai, accept the terms and conditions to create an account. So then from here, you'll be taken to this page. So create account and accept the terms and conditions to create an account. So have a read of this and then click on I understand that I will be entrusted confidential information. I agree that I will not use the information, yada yada. And then from here, we can go ahead and click on sign up with Google. And now choose your Google account you'd like to sign up with. And now what this is going to do is going to sign you up and log you in at the same time as you normally do when you create an account using your Google account. So from here, it will say onboarding new user 1. Just give it a few moments to load the next page. Alright, so from here, we need to confirm your information. So we need to go ahead and put our legal first name, last name, date of birth, country, address, city, and then click continue and your phone number as well. And then it will take you over to account verification. We need to verify your account. Then from there, you need to do an identity verification where you might need to upload your driver's license, passport, etc. And then you need to put in your resume, upload your latest resume, then your experience. Then you got a 12-minute assessment. Then after that, you join the community. So yeah, that's just a quick guide on how to create an Outlier AI account.